Corkboard Bulletin Board 24x36 Message Board Wall-mounted pin board aluminum framed with 12 pins. MAXTEK Cork Bulletin Board is surrounded by a anti-scratch satin and robust aluminum frame and covered with 4 ABS plastic corners that makes the noticed board to be a long-lasting, reliable product. Lightweight and sturdy design. The Cork message board features a lightweight but sturdy design that is guaranteed not to warp. The framed cork board is built to last with a lightweight yet durable design that makes it easy to hang. Holding your memory conveniently and easily to pin pictures, cards, calendars, messages, reminders on the Cork Bulletin Board, starting your comfortable and delightful message display right now. The cork board can also be a nice decoration for your home or office with colorful objects nailed up. Easy installation and one-stop shopping. MAXTEK Cork Bulletin Board comes with 4 wall screws and 4 anchors together with anchor covers, making it firmly mounted on walls. 3 position, portrait or landscape, on the wall. And 24x36-inch Cork Bulletin Board offers you 12 push pins. Safe shipping and 100% satisfaction. All MAXTEK Bulletin Board are shipped in multi-layer reinforced padded shipping boxes for max protection. If you for any reason are not 100% satisfied with MAXTEK Bulletin Board, please contact us right away. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.